Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Koshari sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 7 cloves of crushed garlic, and 6 ounces of rich tomato paste. Also, have 15 ounces of tomato sauce, 3 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar ready. For seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, along with salt and pepper to taste, will create a flavorful base. Now, let's begin crafting the heart of our Koshari sauce. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Once warm, add your 7 cloves of crushed garlic. Sauté the garlic for approximately 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Remember, it's crucial not to overcook the garlic. We want it golden and aromatic, not burnt, to ensure the best flavor for our sauce. With our aromatic garlic ready, it's time to develop the rich flavors of the sauce. Stir in the 6 ounces of tomato paste, 15 ounces of tomato sauce, 3 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of paprika, along with salt and pepper to your taste. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering for 15 minutes, your Koshari sauce is nearly complete. Give it a good stir and check the consistency. It should be slightly thickened and rich. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed to achieve your perfect flavor balance. This warm, tangy, and spiced sauce is now ready to be generously drizzled over your Koshari layers of rice, lentils, pasta, and chickpeas. Enjoy your authentic homemade Egyptian Koshari.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.